Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate mochi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sweet glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/3 cup of sugar. For the liquid, have 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of water ready. Don't forget cornstarch for dusting and about 4 ounces of your favorite chocolate for the delicious filling. These simple items are the foundation for a delightful treat. Now, let's prepare the mochi dough. In a large microwave-safe bowl, whisk together the glutinous rice flour, cocoa powder, and sugar until well combined. Slowly add the milk and water, stirring continuously to create a smooth, lump-free batter. Cover the bowl loosely with plastic wrap and microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir thoroughly, then repeat this process 2 to 3 more times until the dough becomes thick and translucent. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the mochi. Liberally dust your clean work surface and your hands with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Carefully transfer the warm mochi dough onto the prepared surface. Divide the dough into 12 to 16 equal pieces, depending on your desired size. Flatten each piece into a small disc, place a piece of chocolate in the center, and then carefully seal the edges to form a ball. Almost there. Once all your mochi balls are formed, arrange them on a plate or tray. For the best texture and flavor, place them in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the chocolate filling to set and the mochi to firm up slightly. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate mochi. And hey, if you're looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.